Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, our eighth lesson name is degree of comparison here. We see here the definition is given here. What is the definition and what is the meaning of degree of comparison? So here the adjective that show comparison are called adjective of comparison here. So here previous chapter we have seen here that what is adjective. So we know that adjective always comes before noun and pronoun here. But here we can also compare here. We can compare the adjective, that is a degree of comparison here. So the adjective that show comparison are called adjective of comparison here. So here there are three kinds of degree of comparison here. We have three kinds of degree of comparison here. So we can say that adjective added something in a meanings of noun and pronoun. An adjective always we are added before noun or pronoun here. But adjective we can also measure here. We can compare here the adjective here. So we have the three kinds of degree of comparison here. First, that is positive degree. First given here, that is positive degree. Positive means when we describe the quality of a person or thing without comparing it, we use the positive degree of an adjective. We can say that in a positive degree, we cannot compare here with another noun or with another things here. Positive means we are not going to compare here any quality of any particular person or things with other. That is positive. Positive means we are not doing comparison with another. That is comparative degree here. We see here the example is given here, like he is a smart boy. So here he is a smart boy here. Smart is a adjective here and come before boy. Boy is a noun and smart is a adjective here. But here we are not compare the boy with another boy here. That is positive here. It means we are not compare here one boy with other. So it is positive here. Then Riya is a cute girl. Girl is a noun and cute is adjective. So we can say that we are not comparing here Riya with other girls. So we are not comparing, that is positive degree here. So Riya is a cute girl. Then Meena. Meena is not a clever girl. Here we can frame here negative sentence also and positive sentence also here. So Meena is not a clever girl. Girl is a noun and clever is a adjective here. So we are not comparing here Meena with other girls, and Meena herself is not a clever girl here. So we are talking about one single girl, and that is Meena here. We are not comparing Meena with other, and we have less concern with other girls. It means Meena is Meena only. It means we are talking about one single girl, and that is Meena here. Then for the example, Mumbai is a big city. City is a noun and big is adjective here. So we are not comparing Mumbai with other city here, but we are talking about one single city, and that is Mumbai here. So Mumbai is not small country, small city, but Mumbai is a big city here. So big indicate positive degree here. Then the ant is a small animal. Ant is a small animal. So here animal is a noun and small it's adjective. It means we are telling here the ant is a small elephant, small animal, that is positive degree. It means we are not comparing ant with other animal. We are talking about only one single animal, and that is ant here. Then we see here the comparative degree here. What is comparative degree? So when we compare a particular quality of a two person or things, we use the comparative degree of an adjective here. Now here in a comparative degree, we are comparing two things here. Two person, two noun, two person, two things we are comparing here. Only we are comparing two person and two things. So that is comparative degree. How can we compare here? How can we show here the comparative degree here? So we need to added er after adjective. Then some adjective we have to added more word before adjective, then we can frame the comparative degree, and then must be there. We have to write then before to whom we are compare here the noun, we compare the another noun, so before the another noun we have to keep this then in our sentence, then after we make the sentence in a comparative degree here. So first of all er is required, after we have to edit adjective, then some adjective we have to keep more word before adjective, then we can make comparative degree, or then must be there in a comparative degree. We see the example here. First, the elephant is bigger than the giraffe. We are talking about two animals here. First, elephant and another is giraffe here. So we are showing here elephant is bigger. So we have to added er after bigger. Big change into bigger in a comparative degree here. So the elephant is bigger and then must be there. Here we are comparing here giraffe with elephant. So elephant we are comparing with a giraffe. So before giraffe we have to keep here then. Then is used to keep here in a comparative degree here. So we are showing here the elephant is bigger than giraffe. Giraffe is smaller than elephant here. Then Chris is taller than Jay. So we are comparing here Chris with Jay, and Chris is taller. Chris is taller. So tall change into taller in comparative degree, and we have to keep then for the comparative degree. Then the lion is more dangerous than the fox here. Once again we are comparing here lion with the fox here. So here we have to added more before dangerous, because when we find two syllable in an adjective, two syllable means when we divide the particular adjective in a two parts, like danger and us. Danger and us, we have the two different words. We have the two different words and we make the one single word. So that is two syllable. First danger and another us. So danger and us, the single word we have made danger here. So on that time, when the two syllable is there, on that times we have to added more in a comparative degree here. So the lion is more dangerous than the fox. So here we require to keep then for the comparison here. Then Africa is hotter than India. We are talking about two countries. First Africa and second India. So we are comparing two cities. So here we have to keep here hot change into hotter, HOTTER. So we have to added er here. Hot change into er. It means hotter. Then we have to keep then for showing the comparison here. Then the dog is more faithful than the cat here. So once again we are comparing here dog with the cat, and for the comparison here faith and full. Here the two syllable is there. Here faith and full two syllable, and we have make here one single adjective, that is faith and full. We divide two parts faithful, and here by joining two syllable we make the one single adjective, that is faithful. So here we require here to keep more here before faithful adjective here. So we can say that to compare two noun we use comparative degree here. Then superlative degree, when we compare the quality of more than two noun we use the superlative degree of adjective here. When we want to compare one noun with a more noun, one things with a more things we want to compare, on that times we have to use superlative degree. And here we have to use est after adjective. We have to add the suffix in a adjective est, and there is a two syllables, so on that time we have to use most before adjective in a superlative degree. And here before keeping the adjective the must be there, we have to write article the to show the superlative degree. Here we see the example is given here, like Neha is the tallest of these girls. So there are many girls, and we compare here Neha with more girls. Here we compare Neha with more girl, and here tall change into tallest. Here we have to edit est after tall adjective here, and before tallest, before adjective we have to write the article to show the superlative degree here. Then Goa is the smallest state. Here we have 28 state in India, so we compare Goa with many state of India. So we can say that Goa is the smallest state here. Small change into smallest. It means we have to edit est in a adjective small here. And the article we have to keep before adjective smallest here to show the superlative degree here. Then gold is the most precious metal here. Gold is more costly as well as more precious than other metal. So we have the high price of gold, we can see here. So gold is more precious. Precious we have also two syllable, so we have to add most before precious. So here most precious is superlative adjective, and we have to keep the to show the superlative degree here. Then Anup is the cleverest boy in the class. So in a class, many boys are there, but among many boys, we are talking about only one Anup. And Anup is cleverest boy in the class. So here we have to added est after clever adjective, and we have to keep the before cleverest to show the superlative degree here. So Anup, we are talking about Anup with many boys in the classroom here. Then Mercury is the closest to the sun here. We see that we have the 8 planet, but here close change into closest to show the superlative degree here. And also we are comparing here Mercury planet with 8 other planet here. We'll compare Mercury with other 7 planet, total 8 planet we have. So Mercury is too much nearer to the sun here. So Mercury is the closest to the sun, and for that we have to use the article here to show the comparison here. So we can say that in an adjective we are use degree of comparison to show the greatness here in an adjective. Suppose first there are three kinds of adjective. First positive, there are no comparison between two noun or any thing, so that is positive degree. And we are comparing two noun with other noun, so we can say that it is comparative degree. And then we compare one noun with many noun, more than two nouns we compare, that is superlative degree here. Okay, thank you.